Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to give my boring bookshelf a makeover. As you can see, it's just a plain white standard bookcase, but I'm going to put some paneling on the sides and upgrade the shelves for a little bit under $12. So let's get started. What I used for this makeover were 10 of these Dollar Tree canvases, some heather gray acrylic paint from Hobby Lobby, and some marble contact paper. Dollar Tree does have contact paper, but I think I got this marble one from Big Lots. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the fabric off the canvases so I can get just the wood frame. There's probably a better and easier way of doing this, but I don't care. I'm just going to rip it apart. Now I'm going to take my staple puller and pull out the staples on the back side that are kind of poking out and not allowing it to lay flat. Some of them are too wedged into the wood to pull out, so I'm just going to leave them there. Next thing I'm going to do is just take some sandpaper and sand down the frames before I paint them so they can be smooth. And I didn't say this before, but I am using 10 canvases because it's a 5-tier bookshelf, so I'm using 5 on one side and 5 on the other side. Now I'm just taking my heather gray acrylic paint. I think I paid 79 cents for this at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to paint the parts of the frame that you're going to see. So I'm going to paint the top, the sides, and in the inside. While all the frames are drying, I'm going to start putting the contact paper on my shelves. I measured out the shelves first, then cut the contact paper. And I heard that the trick is you're supposed to peel the backing off and smooth it as you go, but I was struggling with it, so I got my mama to finish the rest for me. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to hot glue the frames along the sides of the bookcase, 5 on one side, 5 on the other side, to give it that panel look. I didn't really measure it out. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are white stickers along the sides of the the bookcase, and those are just used to cover up the nails for each shelf, for each tier. So I kind of use that to gauge where I want the frames to go. And this is the finished product, the final look of my bookcase. I was a little nervous because I didn't think that the gray paint for the paneling on the side was going to go with the marble contact paper, but it came out really cute. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.